The error code H4721 in a Bobcat loader or excavator means that one or several sensors in the electrical system of the machine are getting higher voltage than expected. Usually sensors in Bobcat equipment must get around 8 volts from their feed cables, but if there are issues with wiring or connections, the voltage may go higher. If one of the control units registers this high voltage on signal cables from sensors, it will set the H4721 code. That's why it's very hard to find any solid information online, since this code doesn't refer to a certain sensor. It may mean problem with almost any sensor in the electrical system of the machine. What's even worse, the problem is very often connected with a shorted wire that is extremely hard to locate. So what can you do when you see this code? First of all, start with checking the 12-volt battery health and also all the connections that you can reach, like battery connections, ground connections that you can track from the negative battery terminal, starter connections, and also alternator cables connections. They all should look good and sit tight. Any problem with these connections may create voltage anomalies in your machine, and the H4721 code may be set in one of the modules. If this doesn't help, the inspection is going to be quite complicated. You will need to find a broken or shorted wire. This very often happens in places where wires are tied together and attached to a metal body part. Also, if you measure incoming voltage on various sensors, this may help you understand where exactly you should look. I've seen this code mostly because the controller wiring was damaged, but once the problem was with the engine sensors wiring. So if you can't spot this issue, you will need help from mechanics who have experience with Bobcat electrical systems.